Today we're going to be doing the G major scale. The G major scale has got one sharp, and that is F sharp, not F natural and F sharp, because remember that's going to give us 9 notes in a scale. Remember our hand is divided into 2, 3 plus 5, or 5 plus 3, which makes 8. When I play the G major scale, I use exactly the same fingers and everything like I did in the D major scale and like I did in the C major scale. All of those things stay the same. We don't have a different way of playing the scales. The only difference between the scales is that they start on a different place on the keyboard according to their name. So if this is a G major scale, it starts on a G. If this is a B major scale, it starts on a B. The other difference is that each scale has got certain black keys that others don't have. Okay, so G major scale, we have 8 notes, G to G, and we're doing the right hand now. The distance between the E and the F sharp is a little bit of a stretch, especially when you have smaller hands. If you look at the C major scale, there's no gaps in between keys because all the keys are next to one another evenly. Remember your thumb, the path of the thumb must naturally go under. It mustn't suddenly jerk when you get to the note. Okay, so it goes under. The moment I play my second finger, look what happens. My thumb goes under. Okay, we're going to do the left hand now. It's exactly the same as the C major scale. You're going to play your 5 fingers first, and then you are going to put 3 over, and don't forget that there's a gap in between the E and the F sharp. Personally, I've never found that this gap is too much of a problem, but just be aware of that. Now we're going to do hands together. Remember, like the D major scale, like the C major scale, we have the pinky starting in the left hand and the thumb starting in the right hand. Thumb moves under on the right hand. Third moves over in the left hand. Thumb moves under in the left hand. And third moves over in the right hand.